Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a drop down menu in your Shopify store. So firstly, let me show you my store. So this is a store and I currently don't have any drop down menus in my store. So for creating a drop down store, what you have to do is simply click on online store, then click on navigation. Now over here you can see all the menus that I currently have. So just simply click on main menu. Now let me create a new menu item. So just simply click on add menu item and let's call it others. Then just simply link it to anything, like for example pages. Let's go with pages. Then in pages, contacts. Then just simply add. For creating a drop down menu, what you have to do is just simply drag a menu under a different menu. Let me show you how. So as you can see, this is others right over here. Now I'm going to create a drop down menu for contacts under others. So I'll just simply hold this 6 dot icon over here and drag it forward, which you can see this blue line which is stretching and it's increasing and decreasing from the start. You can see this one. So if the blue line is stretching till the very end over here, that means it's not in a drop down state. But if I decrease it, you can see it is now in a drop down state. So currently others has a drop down menu. In that menu, the page that is available is contact. So let's add a new drop down menu. So name it, let's say news. Then just simply click on link and link it to a page. For me it's news. Now just simply click on add. Now if I go to my current store, so as you can see there is nothing called others or anything like that. So just simply click on save menu over here. Then just simply go to your page and refresh your page. As you can see, the others section has been added as a menu, and you can see the drop down icon over here as well. So just simply click on the drop down icon and you will find contact and news. Now if you click on contact, the contact page will open, and if you click on news, the news page will open. So that's how you can create a drop down menu in Shopify. And thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.